8404. Which of the following federal aviation regulations require that all aircraft using fuses as the circuit protective devices carry 1 spare set of fuses or 3 spare fuses of each kind required? A. 14 CFR Part 23. B. 14 CFR Part 43. C. 14 CFR Part 91. The correct answer is C. This regulation ensures that aircraft have an adequate supply of spare fuses to replace any blown fuses during flight, ensuring the continued protection of the electrical circuits. 8405. What is the smallest terminal stud allowed for aircraft electrical power systems? A. Number 6. B. Number 8. C. Number 10. The correct answer is C. This refers to the size of the threaded stud or bolt used to connect electrical wires or components in the power system. The number 10 stud size is a standard size commonly used in aircraft electrical systems. 8406. A typical barrier-type aircraft terminal strip is made of A. Paper-based phenolic compound. B. Polyester resin and graphite compound. C. Layered aluminum impregnated with compound. The correct answer is A. Terminal strips are used to connect and organize electrical wires and terminals in an aircraft's electrical system. The barrier-type terminal strip refers to a specific design where each terminal has a barrier or separation between adjacent terminals. These strips are commonly made from a paper-based phenolic compound, which provides insulation and mechanical strength. 8407. A term commonly used when 2 or more electrical terminals are installed on a single lug of a terminal strip is A. Strapping. B. Piggybacking. C. Stacking. The correct answer is C. Stacking refers to the practice of connecting multiple electrical terminals or wires onto a single terminal lug, creating a stacked configuration. This can be done using terminal connectors or by directly stacking the terminals on the lug. 8408. 1. Electrical wires larger than 10 gauge use uninsulated terminals. 2. Electrical wires smaller than 10 gauge use uninsulated terminals. Regarding the above statements, A. Only 1 is true. B. Only 2 is true. C. Neither 1 nor 2 is true. The correct answer is A. Electrical wires larger than 10 gauge typically use uninsulated terminals. Uninsulated terminals are commonly used for larger gauge wires because the wire itself provides sufficient insulation and protection. The larger wire size also allows for a more secure and reliable connection without the need for additional insulation on the terminal. Electrical wires smaller than 10 gauge do not use uninsulated terminals. Smaller gauge wires typically require insulated terminals to ensure proper insulation, electrical conductivity, and secure connections.